Friends, welcome to channel 11. Today I am going to show you how to show or hide the Windows search taskbar, and from this how to search our a- uh, search folders in PC level. By default the search is configured for the C drive. Suppose if you wanted to search, enter your PC, how to do that. Suppose in your system, if the search taskbar is not showing, the first thing you need to do is right click, come to your here the taskbar and right click and go to the toolbars, search, and you see that which option it is selected here. If it is hide, then you can't see your search option here. So go to your right click on taskbar and go to search and select. If it is hidden, and select the search icon. So the search icon is, it will, if you select the only search icon, it will show the search icon here. So if you press that, it will show the search box like this. Suppose if you wanted to show the search box completely fully, then again right click, go to search and select the show search box. Then it will started show like this, and if you just click that, it will open the result will all option. Suppose if you wanted to go for individually, you go on app. If you select the app, then apps, with the apps, then so it is saying that it started searching with the apps. So you type something, then it will search that. If you find anything, it will come, it will show in result screen. So like settings, so since it is in app, so it search from the apps. Suppose if you want to search with the documents, and select the documents, all corresponding documents you can search, like web, and we have more also here. So in from more you can search different option, but one option is folders. Suppose if you wanted to search in folders, select folders, so it will start show, so it's saying that started searching with folder. So let's try for one option, IIS. So search, since IIS settings all inside the C drive, so it's searching. So defaults is configured from in C drive, so it search inside the C drives related to IIS. So it's found one result, so it's showing here. So let's take that for example. I wanted to have three drives here, so I wanted to search in my E drive like IMP folder. So let's try that whether it works or not. So you can go directly, instead of setting you can go directly also here. So I will try first for IIS is coming. So let me try with IMP. So it's showing no result, but in my drive I have the IMP in my E drive. So how to do that? So as I mentioned, by default it's configured C drive. So if you wanted to search enter your PC, try so it's, there is one option, indexing options, search with indexing options. So if you have to go for indexing options by from searching here, or if you go to control panel also you can find this option and open that. So this is the index option. So here you have to specify what the drives you wanted to include in your search. At present these two things are there, and if you wanted to add more, click modify, and so here you can the list of drives will show here. So from here you can select which drive you wanted to include apart from this. So I wanted to include E drive also for my search, and so I selected E. So I have to select show all locations from the E drive and click OK. then it's added into the E drive. Please note that it may impact CPU performance, so please be aware of while selecting other drives. So click OK. So now I have selected E drive. I have configured my E drive also from my search. So let's try with again folders IMP. Since this is the first time, so it see that it's still searching, but so you find that since I have included my E drive also, see IMP is from my E drive. So it's the I found that search result. If you click that, it will open. So that how you can configure the extra drive also from your search. And as I mentioned, I showed you how to hide and show and remove search option from your taskbar in Windows. And there is another option also to verify, uh, to add extra searching. Go for a Windows search settings options. Since so here you have by default it search using find my files in classic, and if you wanted to go for enhanced, select this option. As I mentioned, it consumes the CPU performance, so be cautious while selecting. And if you select this, and you also include exclude folders from, if you go for enhancing, you add whichever you don't want in your search result. So by default these are there. D drive also included since I have not selected. So you can select this and add some exclude folders so that it won't search in those folders if you want. So this is another way also you can add to go for enhanced search. Yeah, that how you can add and enhance your settings. In case if you are not finding the search options here, there is another way also you can update. That is right click here, go to taskbar settings. From here, if it is if use small taskbar button, if it is on, just turn it off, and you can select the taskbar location on search bottom or somewhere. So this way also you can do the you can do the same thing for enabling search. So this is another approach. And one more option I would like to show is toolbar address. If you select that option, address will come here. From here you can directly go to any drive like E drive. If you wanted to go E drive, then just select that, so it will open. And if you remember the path, then this is one more good option we can use instead of typing and right click clicking this one. You can just type here, then it will directly go to that. We can directly open from here at different folders also. So this is one thing I feel very useful. There is one more thing, and toolbar links. At present there is, so if we wanted to have shortcuts, sometimes we'll have many shortcuts in desktop, so sometimes it's going to be uneasy because our desktop is going to be full and we can't read. So we can place the shortcuts to in links here. You just need to drag and drop the links you wanted to, since this open from here. So that how you can add your shortcuts in links. And there is a multiple options available. If you right click, you can see, you can try that. And these are the one of the good options we can use. I hope you understand how to add and remove the taskbar search in Windows, and how to add address and links bars. um, Thank you guys, have a nice day.